Hello, I'm Miss Ngorosha. Today I'm talking about creating accessible documents to educators in K-12 and beyond. Many people in the US rely on some assistive technology to access information due to mental, physical, visual, and many other forms of disability. Accessibility is a civil rights issue. Offering people equal access to information is everyone's right. Teachers are a big part of the accessibility puzzle because they deal with students with different forms of disabilities. Electronic documents, the web and websites and web pages have increasingly become sources of energy due to technological advancement as well as an increase in online courses and e-learning. Online documents should be accessible to all users to provide equal access to all consumers and to diminish barriers to information and help promote meaningful interaction. Microsoft documents such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher, and PDFs are some of the online documents that people use. One of the documents that has become popularly used is PowerPoint. PowerPoint helps us to present our topics or lessons or sermons or lectures, and to reach all our learners we need to design PowerPoints that are accessible. Here are some of the steps to take when making an accessible PowerPoint. Open a PowerPoint application. Go to choose a blank presentation. Under the Home tab, choose Layout and choose a layout that works for you, title and slide, and then go to Design and choose color and theme that works for you. Then add your title, and if you have a subtitle, add it too. And then to add another slide, go to Home, choose New Slide, add your second slide, put the title to that slide, and there is a content box. Add content, and if you want to embed tables, videos, pictures, you can do so. To put a picture, you can choose an online picture, like what I'm going to do. You go to Insert, then choose Picture, Online Pictures, and then type and search for what you want. For example, I'm looking for PowerPoint. I'm going to use a PowerPoint image and insert it. When you have an image like this, always have an alternative text so that people who use a screen reader have access to the picture. Then if you want to embed a video, add another slide, and then if you have got a video that you want to share, you can choose from the designs shown. Then insert either a table, a video. If it's a video, always use closed captioning to help your readers understand what you are presenting or what is being presented. And then if you have all your slides and you think they have been presented, go to Slideshow and choose a format you want to present your video, your slides. Make sure all your slides have titles. You have arranged the slide elements and everything is clear and legible. The fonts you've used are clear and legible. I think in short, that's what I can say about presenting a PowerPoint. In future, I'll be talking about Word document using Google Slides and also using Google Documents to make accessible documents. Thank you.